Declaring a constant is very similar to declaring a variable. Just like declaring a variable, when you declare a constant, you're assigning some type of meaningful name to a value that you want to store in your code. And you saw that when you declare a variable, you use the keyword of dim. Well, when you're declaring a constant, you use the statement of const, const. Now, unlike a variable, after you declare a constant, it cannot be assigned a new value. And you can declare a constant within a procedure, like I was just about to do here, or you can declare it at the top of the code module in the declaration section. Also, just like a variable, if you declare a constant within a procedure, it's only available for that procedure. If I declare a constant at the top of my code module, it's going to be available for any procedure that I have inside of this module. So for example, in my code, I have the word taxes, but I haven't yet declared that. I want to make it a constant. I always want it to be a value of 10. So here, I'm going to go ahead and type in constant taxes as byte. So far you see that's very similar to variables. Now I also need to assign the value, so I'll throw in my assignment operator, and I want to make that 10. And also, just like a variable, you can declare multiple constants in one statement. But you have to include the data type for each constant. So you'll also see in the code I have shipping fee. So I'm going to go ahead and declare shipping fee as a constant as well. I'm going to make it a currency data type, and I'm going to assign it the value of $7.99. All right, so I've just declared two constants. Now, if I have other sub-procedures that also work off of a taxes amount of 10 and a shipping fee of $7.99, then instead of having to type in that line of code multiple times, I'm going to go ahead and make it available for all procedures inside of this module. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and highlight that line, and I will cut it and just come up here to the top to my declarations area and paste that in and hit enter on my keyboard. So now whether I have one procedure or if I have 20 or 30 procedures, they can all use taxes and shipping fees, and there will always be 10 and $7.99.